This is lesson 27 for course 1, measuring circles. So when you're looking at a circle, there's 3 parts to a circle. And I like to do it in a little story. Okay, now there is a book series, and if you, as a teacher or as a student, want to ever go read them, they are fabulous. They're called Circumference, and he has a whole set on different geometry stuff. But I like to use those characters as examples for circles. So the outside of the circle is called the circumference. Okay, that's the circumference. He is the knight. Okay, he is the biggest. Is circumference. Okay, his wife, Lady Diameter, is the next biggest. She is all the way across the middle of the circle. Okay, that is diameter. And their son, the youngest and smallest, his name is Radius. And radius is halfway across the center of the circle. Okay, so we have circumference is the biggest, he's all the way around. Radius is the sun, he is the smallest, and diameter is all the way across the circle. So just to be clear, radius is halfway across the circle in the middle, diameter is all the way across the middle of the circle, and circumference is the outside of the circle. Those are the 3 things that make up a circle. So if you have a diameter, or D, of 10 centimeters, and they ask what is the radius, remember diameter is all the way across the middle, radius is halfway. So you'd be looking at 10, you're going, what's half of 10? Well, half of 10 is 5 centimeters. That means if diameter is 10 centimeters, radius is 5 centimeters. Just like we can go the opposite way. If you are given radius and say it is 2 centimeters, and they ask, well, if radius is 2 centimeters, what is diameter? You say, well, if radius is 2, diameter is double that because it'd be 2 radius. So that means it is 4 centimeters. Okay, and those are the different parts of a circle and how you do for measurements. So again, that is circumference is the around the outside. He is the knight. He is the biggest knight of the round table. Diameter is his wife. She is the next biggest. She is all the way across the middle of the circle. And radius, being the smallest, is halfway across the middle of the circle. Biggest, the knight, circumference of the round table, the outside. Wife, diameter, all the way across the center. And radius, halfway. He is the smallest. Okay? And again, radius half, diameter full length of the circle, circumference outside. That is all there is to it for lesson 27, measuring circles for course 1.